Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the world of AWS Compute Domain and its different types. AWS Compute Domain is a fully managed, serverless compute service provided by Amazon Web Services. It enables you to build, deploy, and scale containerized applications easily. So, let's dive in and take a closer look at the various types of AWS Compute Domain. The first type of AWS Compute Domain we'll discuss is Amazon Elastic Container Service (ECS) Compute Domain. Amazon ECS is a highly scalable, fully managed container orchestration service. It allows you to run containers without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. With ECS Compute Domain, you can deploy your containers in a serverless fashion, leveraging the power of AWS Fargate to manage compute resources. The second type of AWS Compute Domain is AWS Elastic Kubernetes Service (EKS) Compute Domain. AWS EKS is a fully managed Kubernetes service that simplifies the deployment, management, and scaling of containerized applications using Kubernetes. With EKS Compute Domain, you can deploy your Kubernetes workloads in a serverless manner, abstracting away the complexity of managing the Kubernetes control plane. Next, let's talk about AWS AppRunner Compute Domain. AWS AppRunner is a fully managed service that makes it easy to build, deploy, and scale containerized applications quickly. With AppRunner Compute Domain, you can simply provide your source code or container image, and AWS takes care of the rest, automatically building and running your application in a secure, scalable environment. Moving on, we have AWS Lambda Compute Domain. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that lets you run your code without provisioning or managing servers. Although primarily known for its function-as-a-service (FaaS) capabilities, Lambda also provides a container image support, allowing you to run containerized applications in a serverless manner. Lastly, we have AWS Batch Compute Domain. AWS Batch is a fully managed service that enables you to run batch computing workloads at any scale. It automatically provisions compute resources, manages dependencies, and optimizes job scheduling. With AWS Batch Compute Domain, you can run your containerized batch workloads in a serverless fashion, without the need to manage the underlying infrastructure. Each type of AWS Compute Domain offers unique capabilities and is tailored for specific use cases. Whether you prefer ECS, EKS, AppRunner, Lambda, or Batch, AWS provides you with the flexibility to choose the right compute domain based on your application requirements and preferences. That wraps up our overview of the different types of AWS Compute Domain. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the options available to you when it comes to deploying and scaling containerized applications. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more AWS and cloud-related content. Thank you for watching, and happy computing with AWS Compute Domain.